Alright, fuck it. We doing a Dream Cables unboxing. It goes out to motherfucker. Alright, hold up. Yeah, there we go. Look at that shit. Oh! Damn. That's alright. That's alright. Let's see. Oh, look, we off the grid. Damn, who the fuck is that? Who is that? What the hell? Who is that? I don't know. Bro, it's a tattoo? Oh, it's a fucking sticker. What the fuck? Wait, what is... Shit pisses me off. Alright. Oh, a business card? Oh. It's instructions. We don't need that shit. I'll watch Brandon Taylor.
Please sound right there.
Where's this shit? Bringing dreams to reality, one cable at a time. Alright. Oh my god. They have the devil right there. Oh my goodness. What is this? Alright, we got dream cable. And we're gonna put it in this mouse right here. Maybe I do need the guide. Alright, hold up. Alright, I know I need a screwdriver, but motherfucker, this shit's too big. Oh fuck. Oh fuck, we keep all the little ones. Oh, I'm sorry, little one. Oh, that's a little one. That could work. Oh, what the hell is... Hey, you know what? This could work. This could work. We'll take this. Yeah, finally, the little one wins. Yes. All right, I think we can figure this shit out. I seen one Brandon Taylor video, and I'm pretty sure I got the shit on lock. I know this motherfucker put the shit on hot and was all like, oh, I should probably disconnect that. It's probably not safe. All right. Okay, everything's falling. It's all falling apart. Oh, what do you know? That shit actually worked. See, we got this we got this all figured out. Yes. Get off of me. It's not working. It's not small enough. Please. No way it's not small enough. Don't make me go back to the fucking toolbox, bro. That shit's like a fucking maze. No, that shit was working the whole time. I just didn't push down hard enough. And you know, it's just like, it just shows you like, it's like a real life lesson, you know. Sometimes you don't push hard enough, you know. Oh, it's gone. Yes, we'll save you for little one. Open. Oh, I did it. We fucking did it. We did it, boys. Wait, I'm scared. Okay, hold on. We'll figure this shit out. So this white thing, it's this white thing. Yeah, this shit fits in there, right? Yeah, so we gotta take out this orange thing right here. Yeah, get out. Bro, can you please just get out of there? What are you doing in there? Bro! All right, hold on. All right, you know what? I had it. We're just gonna pull it out. We're gonna pull it out, and it's gonna be awesome. Get out. Oh, it's coming out. Go. Come out. Yes! Now go in. Wait. Uh-oh. Should have paid attention to how it came out. Yes, we did it! Alright. Now how do we put this shit back on? Oh my god. Alright, I don't know what to do. Oh! I think we did it. Guys, we fucking did it, guys. Or is it like this? We fucking did it, guys. We did it. It was awesome. Uh-oh. Oh, no! Fucking camera. I need a cameraman. Hey, comment below if you want to be my cameraman. Yes. Yes, motherfuckers. It really worked. Hold on. Oh, the lights. It works. All right. Where's the screw? All right. We're doing this, guys. It's really happening. Yes. Uh-oh. We fucked up. Fuck. God, please. Don't punish your child like this. Oh, we did it. All right. Where's the screw? All right, so basically when you put it back on, you have to like put it down and then you push in like that. That's where I fucked up. If y'all got this mouse too, I forgot what this one's called. It's called Zowie Blue, I think. I don't know. I straight up got this shit for 30 bucks off eBay. I don't even know. It looked cool. So I said, fuck it. Yes, guys, look. That looks awesome. Alright, bro. If y'all are scared to what's it called? To mod your mice, bro, don't even, bro. I'm a fucking retard and look at how good that shit turned out. Let's go. Let's put this shit on here. Old ass cable. Get out of here! You're unwanted! You're not wanted here! That shit was personal. Yes. Let me show off the RGB real quick. Yes. Oh fuck, my fucking head stuck. Alright, I just got my head stuck in between these two fucking cracks. I don't know why I put it there. Alright, and I'll order a new mouse feet too. I'll do that. I'll do a part 2 when that shit comes here. So far though, that shit's actually really fucking good. Hold on. Yeah. Uh-oh. Shared my pin. Oh my, yeah, I'll also be streaming in case y'all want to see me do some ASMR. Here, I'll show you some. 9/11 was an inside job. I'll start up some Valorant, you know. Start playing Valorant because all the e-girls are on there and shit, and, you know, I'm just a player like that, so it's not even bad without the mouse feet, to be honest. We'll test it out. If I don't hit shots, it's not my fault, basically. Where I put this? Fuck. You know, I'll just show gameplay from, yeah, I'll record that shit separate. Yeah, see? I hit shots. Yo, I hit shots. I take that! You motherfucker. Who is that? Who killed me right there? Omen? Omen's gonna get the sharpest peen I've ever given. As soon as I see Omen, bro, that shit is on sight. Oh, there he is! Oh, it's another. Oh, dumbass. Where's Omen? This shit's fucking personal. He's right here. Dumbass. Oh no! He was right there. He's fucking Sova. It's on site for Sova 2. It's on site with Sova 2. On God. All right. This shit's happening, boys. It's happening. Who killed me? All right. As long as it wasn't a fucking faggot. Omen.
Found the spot.
Get the fuck off of me! Oh, it's on site, Omen. On God, it's on site.
Yoru's down.
Hey, you see what the KO made me do? Oh, you bearded fuck. Oh, it's outside, Omen! No! No, Omen! No! Oh my god, this fucking loser. No! Bro, how does this okay, I'm using Vandal, bro. Oh no, I have to kill Omen at least once, bro. Please. Please. Yeah!
Bye-bye.
Take that, Phoenix. I don't care if it's February. Who the fuck? Where's Omen at? Where's Omen at?
5 kills remaining.
No! Please, I have to kill Omen once. Please. Where are you, Omen? Is this you? This you right here, my boy? Oh, no way I didn't kill him. Wherever you are, Omen, I wish the worst for you and your family. I mean, it's pretty good. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it actually feels like I have this one, right? Like I ordered the shit for this. I ordered the cable and the mouse feet, and then I won this shit from a fucking giveaway, and I was like, well, mis huevos. But like, I feel, I mean, not because this one's a lot lighter, but I mean, it still feels like good, you know, because the old cable was really bad. It friggin' dragged and everything, so a lot better. All right, and then I'll do a part 2 with the feet. One more thing I forgot to mention that's really cool about the Hurricane cables, you don't have to do the fucking heat shrink. Like, as much as I love to like play with fire, and like you can ask the freaking that one orphanage from, all right, you know, let's not go deeper into that, but I love playing with fire and all that. But it's cool because you don't have to heat shrink it. And overall, I think it's pretty good. I do think it feels like just as good as wireless because it's so like flexible. And I don't know, I think I had a lot of fun. I'll do another video on the, what's it called? On the feet. And I don't know, go check out the main channel. I'm about to be uploading. I'm coming back on the main channel. And that's it. Yeah, peace out.